Laura from Rally Connects. I just got over this zip line here in the Rockhound. The Zippity Doodah Trail is what we call it. So now I've got my bike off the zip line and I'm gonna take a look at the trail ahead. Just so you know, this is intermediate riders that are going through here as well as pro riders on this trail. So let's go take a look. There's Lee doing some trail maintenance. Good job, buddy. So here we go, getting into the bush. Ooh, yeah, this is fun going up and down these little hills, hitting some rocks. Yeah. Lots of stuff to play on in here. Okay, here we are at our first little water crossing. Ooh, yeah. Standing up on the pegs, looking ahead. Another little water. You're gonna find a bunch of these throughout the trail. Alright, another one. Let's hit it. Something to keep an eye out for is bypasses too. You see some water that you don't think's very good, chances are there might be a way around it. Got some water crossings. Old hunt camp there. Oh, another water. That was awesome. Stand up. Stand up, hold on. Give it power. Well, they don't call this Rockhound for nothing. There's definitely a lot of rock. Whew, looks like some water. Yeah, look at that, eh? Woo. So I'm making sure I got my footing, finger on the front brake, and I'm just taking her slow. Feeling every rock below me. Pretty slippery. You want to lean the bike into you so that you don't lose it downstream. Okay, now I'm stuck on something. Oops. Something underneath. There we go. Nice and slow. Oh, sorry. Keep stalling her. Gotta keep the RPMs up. There's Lee filming me. I'm getting a cramp. Oh, I'm so tired. But this is better than falling in the water, guys.
What do you say, Laura? It's good intermediate trail?
It's a good intermediate trail. It's definitely not easy trail, but...
No, big bonus points for this one, right?
Yeah.
There you go, boys. She did it. Get at her.